The GLEDE 2-in-1 Kit, Electric and Extended Ratchet Screwdrive Set is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of tasks. It includes an electric screwdriver and an extended ratchet screwdriver, which can be used together or separately. The electric screwdriver is powered by a rechargeable battery and has a torque of 25 Nm. This makes it powerful enough to handle most tasks, such as driving screws in wood, metal, and plastic. The electric screwdriver also has a 2-speed gearbox, so you can choose the right speed for the job at hand. The extended ratchet screwdriver is perfect for reaching into tight spaces. It has a flexible shaft that can be extended up to 12 inches, and it has a ratchet mechanism that allows you to tighten or loosen screws without having to remove the bit. The GLEDE 2-in-1 Kit, Electric and Extended Ratchet Screwdrive Set also comes with a variety of bits, so you can use it for a wide variety of tasks. The kit includes flathead, Phillips, Torx, and positive bits, as well as a variety of socket bits. Here are some of the pros and cons of the GLEDE 2-in-1 Kit, Electric and Extended Ratchet Screwdrive Set. Pros: versatile and powerful. Includes an electric screwdriver and an extended ratchet screwdriver. Electric screwdriver has a torque of 25 Nm. Extended ratchet screwdriver has a flexible shaft that can be extended up to 12 inches. Comes with a variety of bits. Cons: can be expensive. Electric screwdriver battery life could be better. Some users have reported that the bits are not as durable as they could be. Overall, the GLEDE 2-in-1 Kit, Electric and Extended Ratchet Screwdrive Set is a great value for the price. It is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used for a wide variety of tasks. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.